Welcome to this video on AWS DevOps. We will explore how AWS empowers DevOps with scalable, flexible, and secure solutions. AWS DevOps is a modern approach combining AWS with DevOps practices to automate, monitor, and accelerate software development and deployment. It supports continuous integration and delivery using services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, offering strong career opportunities. Why choose AWS DevOps? It's highly in demand, enabling faster and more reliable software releases through automated CI/CD pipelines, cloud scalability, and secure infrastructure. AWS DevOps offers several deployment models. These include all-at-once, blue/green deployment for minimal downtime, rolling deployment for gradual updates, and canary deployment to release the new version to a small group first. Key benefits of AWS DevOps include automated deployment, cloud automation, performance monitoring, and continuous integration. This approach improves scalability, reliability, and speeds up release cycles. However, AWS DevOps faces challenges like scalability issues, security compliance, cost optimization, and integration complexity. Expertise in AWS and DevOps best practices is essential for management. AWS DevOps use cases focus on delivering scalable, reliable cloud-native applications. These involve continuous integration, infrastructure automation, automated deployment, and cloud monitoring. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or assistance, you can contact us via phone, email, or visit our website.